This beautiful 57 Thunderbird, seen here in gunmetal gray, is not just a classic car. This is the car that crushed the Corvette in 1957 without even trying to be just a sports car. It didn't win by being faster, it won by being smarter. Because while Chevy chased performance, Ford built something with performance and plenty of style. But here's where it gets interesting. Was it a sports car, a luxury cruiser, or something entirely new? Ford didn't pick a lane, and that was the genius. Because in 1957, buyers didn't just want speed, they wanted comfort, style, and power. Under the hood, the T-Bird delivered. A 292 cubic inch V8 came standard with a 2-barrel carburetor delivering 212 horsepower, or a 312 cubic inch V8 with a dual 4-barrel carb setup delivering 270 horsepower. But then there was this, the F-Code Thunderbird. This engine came stock with a factory supercharger that delivered 300 horsepower. Ford built only about 200 of them, making them not just fast, but extremely rare. This was not just a luxury cruiser anymore, but here's where it really mattered. The Thunderbird gave you something the Corvette didn't: comfort, presence, and status. Ford sold over 21,000 Thunderbirds in 1957, which absolutely crushed the Corvette in sales. The 57 T-Bird didn't just compete with the Corvette, it changed the rules. Because it proved performance wasn't just about speed, it was about looking good while you're cruising the street. Like what you saw today? Check out these other videos. Also like, share, and subscribe. We're on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. As always, it's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you for watching. I'm Dave. Peace, and keep the classics alive.